I'm Commercial Director at CSC Telecom, and today I will be your host. Today my guest is Davide Rodella from Italy, from CSC, from Xcally. And yes, he's a Global Solution Manager.
Yes.
Yes. So he just arrived, Riga. And,
yes, I landed
what is your
literally
first
1 hour ago.
Ah.
I've seen just few things, but it looks like a very nice place to be, very green country, and I'm excited to be around the city next days, for sure, with you.
Okay. Today we will speak about global contact center insights and how Xcally adapts to across the regions at different countries. And the first question, David, is how do contact centers priorities differs across countries, so and with the voice and digital channels?
Yes, you know that with Xcally we work more in 60 countries around the world, so there are a lot of differences between the places. There are countries where WhatsApp is growing a lot as a channel, and countries like, for example, South Africa or Latin, where the voice is the strongest channel at all for inbound and outbound campaigns. What we are looking at is more and more the integration of chatbots over digital channels, but I think that except for USA, WhatsApp is the growing channel at all.
But in Europe?
In Europe too. Europe, WhatsApp is growing, Instagram is growing, but voice is still an important channel for us. People are used to call, and it's something that we see as a good future.
But what do you see from those channels? Which in Europe is which channel is more popular regarding those social media channels? Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is most.
In my opinion,
yes?
WhatsApp. Yes.
Okay.
In my opinion, WhatsApp. What I see.
It's because it's here in Baltics. It's quite strange situation because in Lithuania a lot of people use Viber.
Yes.
In Latvia, the main channel is WhatsApp. But in Estonia, Messenger, Facebook Messenger.
Facebook Messenger.
Actually, nobody uses WhatsApp, so WhatsApp, why? Only with me, they are chatting with me through the WhatsApp.
Only between us.
Yes, but otherwise they are using Facebook Messenger. Okay. In which markets do you see stronger adoption of written communications? I mean, email, chat messaging versus traditional voice?
In all the channels that requires a quick contact with the customer, for example, healthcare for notification of appointments or visits, or also in credit, insurance, in this kind of markets, digital channels are very, very used, for example.
Okay, and are there specific channels that dominate in certain countries?
I've personally seen that in South Africa, WhatsApp is very, 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 very popular, like channel. They use the WhatsApp to communicate also with credit institution a lot, and also in Latin, where there are a lot of WhatsApp interaction, also with government, also with service from the government that we see.
Okay, so because in Latvia, it's WhatsApp is just on the growing phase. Regarding the company's support through the WhatsApp, because mainly here in Latvia we use voice and email. That's it. Yes, and of course some of companies have a chat on the homepage. We are talking more about the WhatsApp, and it's very good to hear that a lot of also government companies in different countries use a WhatsApp. Yeah, there is a question what customers ask me that. If they will add a WhatsApp as a channel, that they are expecting how many % of customers will start to write to the WhatsApp and stop use the voice? How do you think?
I think a lot. I can tell you, for example, that in Spain, a lot of companies, a lot of big providers like Orange, Simio, the most known one, they have only assistance with WhatsApp. The first contact is WhatsApp. Also, the finalization of the contract is done via WhatsApp. You can buy a new line fiber for your home, then you get a contact from WhatsApp, and there is where you send the documents, you send your ID, to close the process.
Wow, without a call.
Without a call. They say, please, work with WhatsApp because there you can send a photo of your ID. WhatsApp is a trusted channel, more than SMS, for example, in some places in Europe. I had a personal experience that I contracted my fiber using a WhatsApp integration.
Wow, good to know. What are the main challenges when deploying solution in different countries?
Deploying solution in different countries get a lot of challenges dependent. With Xcally, we give the possibility to our customers to deploy the solution on premise, on their own cloud. So we are facing with local infrastructure, local providers, and we need to explain our solution. But we have worked to create a very, very flexible solution that can adapt almost everywhere. We had installation that goes from Japan to Brazil, all over the world, but it's just phasing out with the infrastructure and providers, more or less.
Okay. And how you think that does the process change by the region or by the company size, the process of implementation?
More than on the region, it depends of the company size. When you work on a big project that can involve hundreds of agents, you need to deploy dedicated infrastructure, work about the sizing, define how to deploy the services. Also the onboarding process of different services takes a little bit a long time.
But what is the average, like contact center, which choose Xcally in Europe or other countries? So what is the average size of the contact center? I mean, regarding the agents.
We work with an average size that the big is between 50 and 200 agents per contact center. We have biggest installation, but this is our average.
Average is 50?
Between 50 and
100.
150, 200.
Okay, good. For Latvia, it's big, very big contact center. Okay, and what are the most common integrations you see today? So CRM, ERP, ticketing systems, and now also AI tools?
Above all, AI tools. There is a lot of integration that can be done with Xcally. You know that Xcally has this system of triggers and makes the integration easy using API. So AI tools are integrated, CRM are integrated, and I've seen personally that with custom integration, because everyone has his own CRM, but they want their own integration. They want a ticket opened like that, with that specific content in that specific place. So custom integration with CRM and AI tools, from what I've seen.
And in Italy, companies choose to create their own CRM systems, or they are working with some brand, which is very popular?
In Italy, we have some well-known CRM that are locally there, like the one from Zucchetti or TN System, but and the bigger one, and so Salesforce, Zendesk, that for which we have a standard integration already in place in the product.
But companies start to use these CRM systems, or there are also a lot of companies who choose to create their own CRM?
Yes, I was saying that what I'm seeing is that a lot of companies deploys their own CRM system. Deploys their own CRM. More and more I'm finding companies that say, okay, but we have a self-made CRM, we need to integrate our own solution because we have deployed our own system. And this is done successfully with Xcally because they have their own API they can customize. And we have a big customer in Spain that basically has its own big CRM system and integrates everything from Xcally.
Okay, it's quite the same in Latvia. What I see from my perspective, here are also at least 50% that a lot of companies choose to create their own CRM systems. Are there regional preferences? For example, some countries preferring specific CRM platforms, and which are the most popular CRM systems where you integrate Xcally?
Globally, we integrate a lot of the biggest players, so Salesforce, Zendesk, and this is something that in the biggest company, in the bigger company, is mostly used. But I don't see a country preferences. What I see is that in small countries have their own maybe small CRM done with their own rules, and we need to integrate that one.
Okay. And do companies in different countries focus more on inbound services or outbound campaigns, or mix both?
Literally, it's a mix of both, because in some specific industries, like for example credit recovery, insurance, or healthcare, outbound campaigns are very often used for calling and engaging customers to have a reply, and so I can say it's a mix of both. South Africa, Latam, Brazil, they use a lot of outbound campaigns, for example.
For me, you say South Africa, so it's quite exotic. Where do you see outbound channels like robocalls, WhatsApp messages, or SMS being most effective?
In my personal opinion, I think that WhatsApp is more effective. Because you have more option with WhatsApp. You can work with templates, and you can add buttons, you can add quick reply, and there is also a topic of security. WhatsApp is a sort of spam protected channels for the companies. With SMS, in Europe, in Italy, in Spain, there is a lot of fake messages that you receive from your bank. You've just approved the payment of. So people are not trusting to this kind of messages. If they receive a WhatsApp from a validated account, it's easier for them to be confident and just reply on the channel.
Yes, we are start working here with WhatsApp a year ago, and that is quite difficult to open a WhatsApp channel in Meta. So they are checking everything: their company name, brand, how many followers you have, and even in some cases, if you are not providing correct information, they can just block you.
Yeah.
And try to unblock.
It's super complicated to block. You need to approve the template before sending a message. It's not so easy. But on the other side, a customer that receives a WhatsApp from a validated channel of CSC believes in it.
Which new technologies or features are companies most interested in right now? It's AI analytics, omnichannel, just a regular call center.
Market is shifting through the AI integration. Multimodal AI integration, agentic AI. So every 2 weeks, a new AI tool comes up on the market, and it's quite difficult. As Xcally, we see that omnichannel is the orchestrator of all these tools. And so people are interested in integrating these tools in analytics also, because they want to understand if these tools works effectively or not. And personally, I think that also the integration between human and AI, so create all these tools that helps humans to get their job with the help of AI. Copilot, AI suggestions, AI predictive action during the call, during the interaction.
And what do you see, where are the big differences between, which are the big differences between companies from South Africa and Europe? So it's far away. So there are big differences, or no?
Honestly, South Africa it's a country that I didn't know since 2 years. I was there the first time 2 years ago. There is not so many differences. It's like here. It's very similar to Europe, in my opinion.
Okay.
For the companies that I have visited. So there are no big differences. There are big contact centers where there are big usage of outbound campaigns. For example, they have a lot of interactions, a lot of messages that they receive. but the process of onboarding, the process of deploying is very, very similar to us.
Okay. And when it comes to AI, do you see more demand for voice bots or text-based bots in the near future?
Market is demanding both of them, voice bot and chat bots. The goal is to create a tool that make you able to create an AI object that you can connect to the voice and to all the other channels. Mm-hmm. In my personal opinion, I think that chatbot will be more effective and more rentable in the future because people are often used to text with a bot. It's easier to text it with a bot instead of talking with a voice bot right now. But the market will surely move through an integration, first of all of chatbot and then for a voice bot that will become more and more and more better, more empathic, reducing the gap of talking to humans.
Mm-hmm. Personally, I can agree with you. It's for me, it's quite strange to talk with the bot. So if I need to ask some questions, I better to choose to write a text or tell that bot that please connect me to an agent.
Yeah, it's always like that.
Mm. Okay, and the last question is, what do you think? What is the biggest? What will be the biggest change in the global contact center industry in the next 3 years? What we can expect?
We surely can expect more and more AI integration, more and more human and AI integration to improve the customer experience, to get it more faster, more reliable, more effective to the customer. AI has changed the world and the contact center world in a revolutionary way in these last 2 years. Mm-hmm. And also all these tools that are coming out, all these AI tools that are always able to do more and more things, to connect to CRM, to create different, to make operation. I think that it will be the biggest challenge in the near future for the contact center.
I completely agree with you because we also having a lot of projects right now to integrate AI tools, and it takes quite time.
Yeah,
it's not easy way, so that just plug and play.
No.
Yes, and I'm sure that it will take around 3 years that we will see a lot of AI around us, because right now it's just few companies.
Yeah.
Yes. So thank you, Davide.
Thanks to you, Janis.
And talk to you soon again, maybe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.